Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on how to save a clip from your dash cam to your memory card. I was driving the other day and this person here stuck their head out the window and yelled something at me. He was very angry. I'm not 100% sure why, but I went to click the dash cam button that existed in the previous version of the Tesla software, and I realized that that button was no longer there. And before the upgrade to the latest software revision on my Model Y, there used to be a little button at the top of the screen that you would push. It was just a little red circle. You could push that and it would instantly save the clip to the dash cam. That wasn't there, and so I had to fumble a little bit to find how to store that clip to my memory card or to the native Tesla storage. So I wanted to just make a quick video to show folks how to do that. There's a couple ways you can do it, either kind of driving through some menus, but also a one-click operation as well. So I noticed up here in the latest release, they did put a button here to turn Sentry mode on. So you can push this button to kind of activate your Sentry mode. It's not the same button that once you start driving, this goes away. So in the past, there was a red button up here that you could quickly press and it would save a dash cam clip for you. So today, the way to do that is there's two ways. The long way is to click the Tesla button, and that'll bring you to kind of this main menu, if you will. And if you look right here, there is a button for Sentry and there's a button for recording. If it's not recording already, then obviously it won't save the clip, but you could, you just have to hold this button down to get it to start recording. You can see it was off, so I'll turn it back on. Now it's recording, and then all you need to do is tap, and you'll get that little icon, and it will show you that it's saved that clip to your USB. Now that's obviously one extra step by having to click this button. So if you wanted to do a single button press, the way to do it is to click the menu here, find the dash cam. If you hold your finger down, it will act like a little bit like an iPhone and allow you to move the app. And if you put it down here in your My Apps kind of system tray, close that out, you can now just simply click that button and it will save the clip for you. So I think you have to be driving, but as you're driving, if you click that little button, it will save the clip for you.